Hello everyone, welcome back to another great episode of Raihana's Cuisines. Today I'm going to be doing a very quick video on homemade French fries that I'm going to be doing in the Magic Chef Air Fryer. Super simple. What I've done here is I've taken about 9 potatoes, they're large potatoes, and what I did was I just peeled the skin off and then I freehand cut them. So because my husband loves homemade fries and I haven't been making it because I just don't want to fry it. So simple. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to add butter, and I've done unsalted butter, about 1 tablespoon. Now you could do oil in it, but I just love the taste of butter with fries and potatoes. Then I've got here about 1/2 teaspoon of lemon pepper that I'm going to sprinkle on here. And then I also have 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Now, to those who don't like black pepper, don't worry, if you don't want to, don't put it in there. I love black pepper on my potatoes. I don't know what it is about having French fries with black pepper. I love the taste of it, okay? Then I'm gonna do just a sprinkle of some pink Himalayan salt. You don't have to use the pink one, that's the one I use. At this point, you could also put dried parsley flakes in it, and you could also do some cayenne seasoning on it, and you can also do some good quality Spanish paprika. Just throwing it out to you so that if you wanted to, you could do that. Now, this is going to be super simple. I'm just going to open the air fryer, and what we'll do is we're just going to add enough to cover the bottom, okay? Because I don't want to overlap it. So we're going to be doing this on 400 degrees, and what we'll do is we will put it in for 11 minutes, and then we will take it out and we will shake it, and then we'll put it back in for, I'll let you know how many more minutes we'll put it back in. Take these out, and they look really good, but we need to put them in for another 8 minutes. So I'm just gonna shake it and just make sure that they are, again, one level. Put them back in for another 8 minutes at 400 degrees. Potatoes are done, our French fries are done, and my husband just came through the door from work, and he tried these and he absolutely loves them. So this is great that you don't have to, deep fry it. I'll show you one here. They're super hot, but I'll try and see if I can get it. They're crispy, and then you can see the inside is really nice and soft. And French fries is something that I can't resist. So it's got a really nice butter flavor in it, and then the lemon pepper and everything. And you can also sprinkle this with Cajun seasoning, but these are fantastic. So thank you for joining me on this episode of Raihana's Cuisines. Hope you can join me here next time with another great video. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, and like this video, send me a comment or two, share my videos, and just wanted to say that I really love all of you that have already subscribed, my followers. I love you guys so much, because without you guys I would not have any inspiration to do these videos. So thank you so much, and I'll see you here next time with another amazing video.